There's a plant with purple parts and a plant with snow white parts, pollen all over the place. Mendel's messing with the traits. He took pollen from one plant just when others said he can't. Mix them up to get Gen 1. This is what he did for fun. He was shocked to learn that they ended up to be purple. This got him thinking, what is being passed through plants? Mendel and peas made sure they were all true breed. Then he had them make a seed. Facts on genes is what we need. Mendel and peas, dominant recessive traits. Which one shows we'll have to wait. Mendel's test designs were great. Mendel and peas. He explained how genes are passed. His next cross was such a blast. Got an answer at long last. Mendel and peas. Second gen is where it shows. 3 to 1's the ratio. Oh, whoa, Mendel and peas grew them all again. Mendel and peas grew them all again. Mendel did another cross, hoping white did not get lost. He was in for a surprise. He could not believe his eyes. White showed back up in Gen 2. Purple too was in clear view. The white trait was never gone. Behind purple it withdrawn. Here he discovered how the traits are being passed. Thanks, peas. It's the reason why we call him the dad of genes. Yeah. Mendel and peas made sure they were all true breed. Then he had them make a seed. Facts on genes is what we need. Mendel and peas, dominant recessive traits. Which one shows we'll have to wait. Mendel's test designs were great. Mendel and peas. He explained how genes are passed. His next cross was such a blast. Got an answer at long last. Mendel and peas. Second gen is where it shows. 3 to 1's the ratio. Oh, whoa, Mendel and peas grew them all again. Mendel and peas grew them all again. Mendel continued to cross true breeding plants with different traits such as seed color, plant height, seed texture, and flower arrangement. He found in his thousands of tests that only one trait showed up in the first generation. He called this the dominant trait. When he took 2 offspring from this cross and pollinated them with each other, the original 2 traits showed up again in the second generation. He called the trait that was hidden in the first generation the recessive trait. He found that the ratio of dominant to recessive offspring was consistently 3 to 1. Mendel's studies also led to the realization that both parents contribute what Mendel called a factor to each offspring. This is what allowed the recessive trait to be expressed again in the second generation. We now call these alleles. It was extremely lucky that Mendel had such a fondness for pea plants, as the traits he chose are controlled by only one gene each and are inherited independent of any other gene. Had he chosen another plant species, we may not know all that we do today about how genes are passed down.